Viewer discretion is advised.
This sounds pretty serious. Also retarded. Can't use desktop background. So I just get a blank black screen. I hate this. How's it illegal to put a desktop background even if it's my picture? I hate that so much. Okay, I was just looking at the news and like 25 Navy SEALs died in Afghanistan. Oh, and I was gonna watch the Teen Choice Awards tonight on Fox. Planet of the Apes. Ryan Reynolds. What about cell phones? Don't care. Oh yeah. Huh. It's gonna be an episode. Probably next episode. We're gonna talk about 9/11. Since we're very close to September. And it's gonna be on a Sunday, 9/11. Yeah, our fellow pom-poms doing the same thing. But it's on their next episode. Only episode last night. That was episode 6. Episode 7 will have 9/11. And I think it'll be 30 minutes. Yeah. We might be doing the same thing for the Phu Cat Show. It's over. Where's my controller? Oh. What's it like? 2 minutes before it's 10. About to watch the 70 show. Actually, it's been on this whole time. Okay. Alright. Have a practice test for chemistry. I did my homework for chemistry. And I have a practice test on Quizlet. Well, just for the measurements. I'm gonna work on it right now. Hold on. Alright, amount. Amounts measured as moles. Time. Seconds, obviously. Temperature, Kelvin. Distance. Meters. Mass. Grams. Volume, liters. That's just all we have to know for the measurements. And how to check answers, and got a 100. of these questions, I probably have to work tomorrow because, first of all, I have no time left. It's like 3 in the morning. Plus, it's better to do this the next day than just right now. If you do it now, you could probably forget tomorrow morning.
Oh, what's up, man?
Yes.
Bad trip. Yeah.
Well, mine looks terrible. Actually, it looks exactly like last year, except with a different haircut.
At least you didn't just get out of the gym. Dude, I left everybody behind.
Alright, I gotta describe my living conditions this whole week. I've only eaten like one meal every day this week, and only had 2 hours of sleep. Because of work and tests. And tomorrow is just the last day for the week, so I'm good because it's Friday, you know. And I finally get more food to eat for the night. So maybe I'll have a better living condition after this. Yeah. I don't eat at lunch because I have too much to study for. And that's about it.